So hello, today I'm going to um, present you my lab work 2. Um, so our task is to do this kind of um, site and web page, and first we should here. Um, so we should enter student in the first name, and birth should be more than this number, like 2002, and high school should be written I2, and when we will write it, should appear welcome a new student. So here I use a post method to input all the data. So if there's empty space in first name, um, there will be appeared like first name is required, else they will appear. Check if name only contains letters and white space, and um, also if there are some errors, name errors, they will be like written only letters, and if there empty space in last name, so there will be same requirements like last name is required and so on, and that's here also like telephone is required, and is the same for all conditions, only the name changed. uh, Next goes here requires method get. I used method get, so also the same thing. If there's some, I used also with get. That's the same things if we write same conditions. Tags to fulfill name. uh, I use HTML tags. Where is it? I use this kind of summer. For each, it's used for each how to say table to write it down. So for first name, for last name, birth, tell, and high school, permanent address, your level, and others. So here's 4 years, degree, levels, and email. Yes, text, and also here's degrees, BS in telecommunications, and so and registration, so like submitting. Text next goes nice. We use arrays to do groups. I put key group, value, array, and in task 4 we use to fulfill full name. Then you should write student ID, IT group. So for each group you should write and subjects. So also for each subject it goes as subject, and for use course I use input type to submit to text, tell, like I use them like tell type, name is Mark, here's type is text, name is course, and so on. Text. So here I use post method to input values. So if empty, if there's name empty and ID empty, all things are empty, fields should not, there will be appear like fields should be not be empty, else successfully registered. Register new simple registration. Done. So and also register is checking. Tax. This is kind of a game. Here we should if we will put number 75, there will be like congratulations, you win. Else if there's number which is smaller than 75, number there will appear that number is greater, and else if there's number is bigger, yes, smaller now, number smaller than 75, then number is less. So that's all. Thank you for your attention.